doing not a craft, but we are baking a 10 to 20 minute pizza. This is an amazing recipe that I found and I wanted to share with you guys. So let's get started. I have my baby brother here with me, and he's our junior chef. You'll hear him in the background. But Matthew, do you love this pizza?
Yeah.
Yes, he loves this pizza. We've made this pizza before, and it is the best pizza. Okay, let's get started. You're gonna need a large bowl, a wooden spoon in your bowl, your hands, clean hands, yourself, and all these ingredients. So you're gonna need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast, cheese. I didn't measure this. I'd say maybe cup or 2, and maybe a little bit of sauce. And then you're going to need some spices. I have oregano, basil, and garlic, olives, mushrooms, and those are for the toppings. I have more mushrooms here because I'm gonna need more mushrooms. And then this is a liquid of 1 teaspoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon sugar. So that's my 1 teaspoon bowl. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so now we have our first bowl right there. And we're going to take our flour, dump it in. Then we're going to take our yeast, dump it in, and don't forget, for the yeast, you're going to need to add some water, 3/4 cup water. Then you want to add your olive oil. Guys, if you grouped it together like I did, you might want a spoon to get all the sugar and stuff out. That looks kind of weird. Okay. And then you just start stirring. And guys, you're going to want your oven to preheat your oven to 500. This pizza does have to rise, but only for 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. I usually like to do 15 just to make sure it's good. Okay, so you're gonna stir it up while my oven is preheating. You wanna, since this is such a fast pizza, sometimes when I try new recipes, I don't like to start the oven at the beginning, but this recipe I think you should, because if you don't and you start it right at the end when you say, okay, let's put it in the pan, you're gonna find yourself waiting for the oven to turn on, for your pizza oven to be ready. To work out. All right, so now you need a clean space. I like to take a cutting board and put it here. And then you need to flour your space. So you're going to want to get some flour. Okay, flour, flour, flour. You're gonna want to get your hands very floury. Spread the flour all around so that your pizza doesn't stick. Okay, now, so it's like I was saying, just get this super floured up. And now you're going to take your thing here and just get it kneaded. Take all of it out. Make sure your hands are super floury. And you're just gonna mix this all up. Great, so now that you're all kneaded up and you want to get all the dry, loose parts together, you're going to put it back in your bowl. Sorry. So Matthew, chef, is just, Junior chef is just moving. Okay. See, Matthew likes to be part of videos, huh? Okay, so now we're gonna put it back in. Get all the dry parts.
My dough tastes good.
Okay, put it all back in the bowl. Get your hands unfloured or get all the sticky dough off. Put it back in. The easiest way is just rub your hands together. Cause some friction. Okay. And then I'm just gonna wash my hands. Okay, so now you take a kitchen towel, kind of like this one. You're gonna put it over, and then you're gonna put it under your preheating oven. Let it rise for 5 minutes. While you're letting it rise for 5 minutes, you're going to be wanting to get your stuff ready.
What's this? This tastes really good.
I like them.
Interesting. So you've got your mushrooms,
I like it.
olives, and this is oregano, basil, and garlic. Red sauce, cheese, and yeah. So these are your toppings. And I'm gonna use a circular pan to create my circular pizza. So now we're just gonna wait for the pizza to rise. Hey guys, so I made a boo-boo. Okay, and I forgot to put the stuff in the sauce. We're gonna put it in the sauce. Yum. We're gonna get a spoon.
Mama.
Lily, chef, would you like to mix it up?
Yes. Mama.
Mix. Okay, so our oven's on, so don't get it out of the bowl. We don't want it to sit. All right, thanks, Lily. All right, so let's check on our pizza. Okay, let's check on our pizza dough. The big reveal. Ta-da! Okay, it's perfect. All right, so now we take our. You guys smell it because it. If it smells like yeast, then you're doing great.
It smells like dough.
Yeast, yes, that is. Okay, so now you take the dough, plop in the middle of the pan, and you spread it out. Now guys, I learned the hard lesson of if you're doing it on a baking sheet, put it on the baking sheet before you put on the toppings, because I learned the hard way that if you don't flour the surface, the pizza sticks. And you probably all know that, but I knew it and I forgot to do it, and I learned the hard way. we just need to take the sauce. Kids and cheese. Now we just put it all around. There we go. And now we're gonna put our cheese on. Lily, Chef Lily, can help me. So she's gonna put a handful in, and then I'm gonna dump it. There you go. Well, I'm actually not gonna dump it. So put some cheese all around, all around, all around. Give me cheese, 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 cheese. There we go. Even it up. Go. Alright, I think we're good. Now I'll just dump this here. Alright. There we go. Okay. Go wash your hands. We'll be good. Okay, so then we put our mushrooms on. Okay, we're getting our mushrooms on, and I'm dumping on the olives. Couple. Go, put some right here. All right, I think we're all good. Okay, so now our oven's on, so we're gonna put it in the oven and we'll show you the pizza when it gets done. All right, for everyone who's gluten-free out here, my mom tried making this gluten-free pizza with almond flour. It's the same recipe, just without the flour, without the all-purpose flours, with the almond flour. So we're gonna put that in the oven and figure and see if it actually works. The dough tastes really good, so let's see. This is doing really well. That's the gluten-free. That back there is the regular. Here, just a little. Gluten-free, regular. They look good.
Are they done?
Almost. Done!
Yay!
The pizzas that we just made. Okay, so this is the regular. That cheese looks so good, Lily. There's even a bubble.
Where?
Say that's a sign of true pizza.
Abbie, wait. I need
That's
a
a sign
bubble
of true
piece.
pizza, guys.
I need a bubble piece.
Oh yeah, you do. And this is the gluten-free pizza. It looks really good. I bet it tastes really good too.
Uh-huh.
Pizza!
Yummy.
Now we're just letting it cool. So let it cool for about 5 to 10 minutes and then enjoy your yummy pizza. Thanks for coming to Craft Time and making this yummy pizza with me. It was so much fun. And don't forget to watch our other videos, subscribe, like, and comment how much you like this pizza and if you even liked it at all. I would totally be amazed if you didn't like it. Okay, and also we are voting for our little craft assistant's name. That ends next Wednesday. We also have a drawing contest and the setup ends next Wednesday. And I hope that you come back and watch more videos. Bye! The pizza was so good. It was so yummy. Yum. Yum.
Pizza is so yummy.
Is the pizza good, Matthew? Good. Is pizza good? Okay, good.
Yeah, the crust is a little bit more, not as dense as the gluten crust, but I'll take it. I'll take it a lot. Tastes like a cookie, a breadcrumb crust. Is what it tastes like. So,
Of course.
yeah. Thumbs
Cool.
up.
Yummy.